Hi, it's Erin with Snowberry Design Co. Welcome back to my channel. This is the place to be to learn how to paint loose watercolor flowers. Really quick, just before we get started, I wanted to tell you about my watercolor paint to water ratios cheat sheet. It's a freebie that I created to help you if you're struggling with water control as you're painting with watercolors. You can grab that using the link in the description box below or head to my website, snowberrydesignco.com. I don't know about you, but where I live, it's been really cold and snowy lately, so I wanted to paint some flowers that remind me of warm summer days. I painted some kumquats, garden roses, and then just some filler flowers. To start, I'm using Scarlet Lake by Winsor & Newton mixed with Opera Rose to paint these upside down flowers. I'm just leaving them alone because I don't want to overwork them. I'm just going to let them dry like this, and then I'll come back and add some detail later. Next, I'm adding in my kumquats. I mixed Brilliant Orange and a little bit of Isoindolin Yellow with a teeny bit of Opera Rose to get this color. You can see a tiny bit of the pink in the kumquats, which really helps kind of tie them to the flowers, which I love. Everything just looks like ovals on a diagonal right now, but it'll start to look more like a summary arrangement as I add in more details. Next, I'm adding in my garden rose using a mixture of the colors I've been using so far. And now I'm just playing with some new greens to mix in, and I decided I didn't really like this weird vine thing that I painted, so I've added in some green circles to look like berries to help tie the whole circle motif together. For the greens, I'm using a mixture of sap green, hooker's green, and a little bit of quinacridone gold. Next, I'm just going around and adding these basic leaf shapes wherever there is some empty space. I'm not thinking too much about where the leaves are going, I'm just adding them where I need a little bit more green to help balance everything out. Now I've added in a little bit more of that quinacridone gold to help warm up the green, and I'm adding in more leaves, this time sticking to a smaller size. Next, I'm using isoindolin yellow to add some T-shaped flowers up here, just to mix it up, but also to add some warmth to this part of my arrangement. I like where things are for the most part, so now I'm going to go in and add details to my flowers that I've already dried. I'm adding in another layer to my green berries just to help bring some depth to them. I hope you liked this video. Let me know if you liked it by giving the video a thumbs up and by sharing this with a friend. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I post a new video every week. Let me know down in the comments which flowers you'd like to see in a future video. Thanks again for watching. Bye!